Today, we're going to explore the most common uses of the word by, a small word with many meanings in English. You'll see how it's used in real sentences and how the meaning changes depending on the context. 1. By is used to say that something is close to or next to something else. Se usa para indicar proximidad física. Examples. The school is by the park. She is sitting by me. 2. By shows the latest time something must be finished. Importante. Aquí se usa para marcar un límite, no un momento exacto. Examples. Please finish the work by Friday. I'll be home by 8 p.m. Please finish this by tomorrow. I'll call you by the end of the day. By the time we arrived, it was dark. Important. By means not later than a time, while at means exactly at that time. 3. By tells us who did something, often in passive sentences. Muy común en voz pasiva para decir quién hace la acción y en descripciones formales. Examples. The book was written by her. The song is performed by a famous artist. The painting was made by a local artist. The movie was directed by Spielberg. The email was sent by mistake. 4. By means alone or without help, showing that someone does something independently. Muy común con actividades personales o responsabilidades. I did the homework by myself. She learned to cook by herself. Don't worry, I can do it by myself. 5. By shows how something is done. Suele ir seguido de gerundio, ing, cuando hablamos del método. Examples. I learn English by watching videos. She paid by card. He learned English by practicing every day. We solved the problem by talking calmly. She opened the door by using a key. By saving hard, we bought a house. 6. By is used to say how you travel. Cuando lo usamos para hablar del medio de transporte, no se usa el artículo. Examples. I go to work by bus. We traveled by car. 7. By means following a rule, law, or system. Muy usado en contextos morales, legales y sociales. Examples. By law, you must wear a seatbelt. You have to play by my rules. We live by simple rules. You should judge people by their actions. He always plays by the rules. 8. By is used when something passes close to a place. Se usa mucho con verbos de movimiento. Examples. He walked by my house. She went by the door quietly. I'll stop by later to say hello. She walked by my desk without stopping. Come by my place anytime. Come by means to pass through a place or visit briefly. 9. By far is used to strongly emphasize that something is much more than others in comparison. Siempre se usa para comparar y enfatizar. Examples. This is by far the best option. He is by far the smartest student. That was by far the hardest part. By far the worst was the food at the hotel. 10. In idiomatic expressions, by is part of a fixed phrase and does not have a literal meaning. And by the time the dust had settled, I realized that I'd changed. Little by little, things got better. He missed the train by seconds. She did it by accident. Sorry, I called you by mistake. Step by step, you'll learn. We're hanging by a thread. Don't you think you should lead by example? There are a few other useful uses of by that are worth mentioning. By is used to describe the conditions or light under which something happens. We traveled by daylight. They walked by moonlight. She read by candlelight. By is used to show how something is measured, sold, or paid. The fabric is sold by the meter. She is paid by the hour. By is used in math to show multiplication and division. Divide 12 by 3. Multiply 5 by 4. By means according to a reference or standard. It's 5 o'clock by my watch. By shows that something is acceptable to someone, it's all right by me. By the way is used to change the topic or add extra information. By the way, I saw your brother yesterday. Stand By Me is a famous song originally released in 1961 by Ben E. King. The song became iconic for its emotional message about loyalty, support, and staying with someone in difficult moments. In the chorus, Stand By Me means support me or don't leave me, not a literal physical position. In 1986, the song was used in the film Stand By Me, directed by Rob Reiner. The movie tells the story of 4 boys and focuses on friendship, growing up, and standing by your friends. The title of the film reflects the same emotional meaning as the song. Together, the song and the movie helped make Stand By Me a powerful cultural expression of friendship, loyalty, and emotional support in English. To finish the video, there's a short extra section comparing by, near, and next to when we talk about proximity. By, near, and next to are all used to talk about proximity, but they differ in distance and precision. Examples: the cafe is by the station. The cafe is near the station. The cafe is next to the station. Sit by me. Sit near me. Sit next to me. I live by the park. I live near the park. I live next to the park. Put the chair by the window. Put the chair near the window. Put the chair next to the window. He walked by the school. He walked near the school. There's a small shop by my house. There's a small shop near my house. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.